Hi guys, Kit from Rocket Studios here, and welcome to this first of 3 videos on how to build out the 3 key components of a profitable sales funnel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a 2-page sales funnel, and I want to do this because sales funnels are really a key component to building your business online. So stick with me and I'll show you how simple this can be. You all know you have to put your product or offer in front of a lot of people. And when you do that with sales funnels, you really increase your chances. Sales funnels take your customers through a series of pages that allow them to know more about your product and also allows you to collect their email address as a lead and so that you can remarket to them later. And this is where the magic is. So I'm going to show you how to do this using a tool called Builderall, which, in case you haven't heard of it, is a fantastic online platform where you can build lead pages, sales funnels of all kinds, websites, webinars, online courses. It's fantastic how many things you could do with this platform, and you're not going to believe how simple it is to build this in Builderall. So let's dive right in. I've logged into Builderall, and here I am in my back office. And here you can see the builders running down the left-hand side. There's the drag and drop pixel perfect. There's the drag and drop responsive builders, mobile first drag and drop builders, and each has its own unique features and benefits. So I'm going to go straight to the drag and drop pixel perfect builders, and I'll choose new website. And here you can see there are loads of pre-made templates that you can use. So no matter what kind of industry you're in, there's probably a pre-made template for you in here already. And just scrolling, you get a sense of how many pre-made templates are available. So if we go into sales funnel here, you can see there are pre-made funnel templates. There are membership templates, squeeze page funnels, bridge funnels, storefront funnels. There are all these different templates, and each template includes all the pages you'll need for that funnel. And here you have blank pages, which you can just grab and start working with right away. Some people like to do that because blank pages are very flexible. So we are focusing on our lead magnet sales funnel, and I'm going to go ahead and choose it here. And once inside, I'm going to go to the home page. Here we can see the blueprint for this sales funnel. Here customers land on the lead capture page where they submit their email address, and then they're taken to the thank you page, which is the conclusion of their transaction. Once they've submitted their email address, their email is automatically added to an email list, which you can market to later. So now, in preparation for your funnel, you'll first need to set up your email list, either in Builderall's Mailing Boss or one of the many autoresponder Builderall interfaces with. Then, we're going to build a thank you page, and then step 3 is to prepare your opt-in page. I'll show you why you have to work backwards in a sec. Once you have the list, you want to give some thought to your email sequence that should start sending automatically when customers subscribe. This sequence of 5 to 10 emails will need to be set up in the autoresponder beforehand. So having the emails written first puts you way ahead. I'll talk more about this in another video. So back on our landing page, I'm going to start by editing the copy. Right-click on this text box and select the text so that we can start to edit. And here you can see that you can change the font, change the alignment, change the color. So I'm going to go ahead and select this text and input my headline and bullet copy and get it looking just the way I want. To change the image, simply right-click on it and then upload a new one from the asset library or straight from your computer. To change the background to an image or a color, right-click and go to Appearance. select a color or an image from the asset library. To add a video, click the green plus symbol to add an element and go to Audio and Video and click on the image. That'll bring it to the page. So click Configure, and this is where you'll paste the link for your video. To change the opt-in form, right-click and choose Appearance for Form Styles, and right-click and choose Button to set the button styles. Time now to configure this opt-in form by right-clicking on it. And this is why you need your list first, because in order to configure it, we need to connect it to an email list. I have my list in Mailing Boss, and I can choose it right here and connect it to this form, which means whoever clicks on this opt-in form is added to your email list and then taken to your thank you page. If you're offering a lead magnet, which could be a free ebook for example, the thank you page is where they'll gain access to it. Now, we need a thank you page because here, after they opt in, they need to be directed to it. And by doing so, you'll be telling them where to go, and this is why you have to work backwards. So at this point, we'll want to save the work. I'll name it Test, and then we'll go up to the drop-down menu to access the thank you page within this pre-made funnel template. Now we want to edit the text and images on this page, refining it until we like it, which is so easy to do in Builderall because you can place things exactly where you want them to be. If you get stuck for copy, you can always go to the script generator in Builderall and create an avatar, and Builderall will generate copy for your projects. Now that we have a thank you page, we're going to want to configure it by going back to the landing page and right-clicking on the opt-in form. Here we'll want to change the URL and tell it you want it to go to the thank you page whether or not they are pending subscribed or confirmed. You still want them to go to the thank you page. It's so cool because this is internal and you don't have to copy any links. We'll need to finish by configuring the buttons on the thank you page. This is where customers will be able to access your lead magnet, so we'll want to attach a PDF link to this button. We're going to pick Action, and here's where we can attach our lead magnet. Just choose Document and go ahead and File Search and attach your document or upload it from your computer. Click Confirm, click OK, and that's how simple it is. To configure the second button, again, right click, pick Action. Now for this, we're going to want to go to the web address because this is where we're going to forward the traffic on. This is where you would paste in your affiliate offer or the URL for the product you are selling. And then click OK. And that is how you configure the buttons on the thank you page. Hit save, and now we've connected these pages. Now let's go to the home page or our landing page and configure the email correctly. Go ahead and configure, go to Mailing Boss, choose the mailing list we prepared ahead of time. So on the thank you page, I want to get the address of this page. So I go into Layouts and click on the gear and name it Thank You. And that's the address that's in the browser. This is also the address I'll want to enter in the Mailing Boss mailing list details page after the slash. Confirm this, and now we're going to preview. So now we can test it, and let's activate this funnel by first going to Publish. Then let's click on it to see the live page. Let's copy the live address and go into an incognito and copy the address in the bar. And if it's working, it'll take you to your thank you page. If it's not, there are some things you can check right away. Make sure your thank you page is connected through your landing page by right-clicking on the email opt-in button. Also make sure you set this redirect with Mailing Boss as well by going into Mailing Boss, click on Lists, pick your list, and click on Update. For the mailing list details, click on Advanced. And here's where you'll see sub not found redirect, and sub exists redirect. This first field should have your live website address, followed by a slash, and your thank you page's name. Copy your live website address as we did earlier, and go into your thank you page and go to Layouts, and then Settings, and you'll see the name of your thank you page. Copy it faithfully and paste it after the slash in the first field, sub not found redirect, on the Mailing Boss mailing list details page. You can also check by taking this link and pasting it into a new browser window. And there you have it. So now you know how to build a two-page sales funnel and how to attach a lead magnet. Of course, the lead magnet could be a lot of things. Perhaps a reference guide, a checklist, a training manual, an ebook, for instance. And we'll have a separate video delving into that subject. This is the first in a series of 3 videos that shows you how to create a lead magnet sales funnel and the follow-up email sequence. These are the 3 key components of a profitable sales funnel. I hope you like this video and are inspired to build your own funnel. If so, use the links in the email and you'll get a bunch of cool bonuses as a thank you. Hope to see you for part 2 in the series, How to Create an Email Subscriber List. And thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.